Welcome to this video series in which I'm going to be sharing with you several tips on how to drive traffic to your YouTube channel and to also get more clicks and more views on your videos. A lot of traffic courses focus on how to drive traffic to their websites, but you know what? To many people and businesses, their main site is their YouTube channel. And a lot of people don't know this, but what separates YouTube from other social media sites is that YouTube is actually the second largest search engine in the world. So having a YouTube channel is a great strategy to get traffic to your business. Some YouTubers have several thousand, if not hundreds of thousands of people viewing their videos every day. And once you have thousands of people coming to your channel, there are so many ways to monetize all this free and organic traffic. So make sure you check out the following videos in which I'm going to show you how to drive traffic to your YouTube channel.